Habayakran bagi nong Bthah kubor Menteri Rangba Kejela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bak NHIDCL kelai gejing sniu jong surok bat kila pentingna bagin sedang no gejing maramot hapo kini kendiat sengi banwan bat kila kular ru bakin sna bahai ke surok haba maramot uletho bagasong tengka hakawat ke benengkong lada ban IT shika company bakan pentre ka kam bat ki kontraktor kilawan ra ya ki kor ki bor bat ginong trei bat akte wan wan nani hapo sposngi on dang wan shok ginong trei bat ki kor ki bor.
So under the NHIDCL, the Shillong-Dawki road, as you're aware, that some parts of the road are in pretty bad condition, and hence we have made immediate arrangements to ensure that the repair of the phase 4 or the 4th sector, which is more closer towards Dawki, that repair should start immediately. So the NHIDCL has given us confirmation that they will be starting the repair work within the few days' time, and we have ensured that the quality is maintained for the repair. But as you are aware that while the repair does take place, the construction also is going side by side. So while the repair takes place for this season, immediately the construction work and the other parts also will also start at the same time. Then as you know that the packages also, the first package has also been allotted already. So the contractor to whom the work was allotted, we expect that the person should be starting the work very soon. He has mobilized some machinery and some manpower, and we expect that in the next week, 10 days, more manpower and machinery will be mobilized, so that this first sector from Umshepi to up towards Upper Shillong and 7th Mile and beyond, this section also the work will should start very soon. But whenever the schedule, I think it's 2025 or 26, I'm not very sure, I don't have those numbers with me. But as I said that because the certain sections were not repaired and were in bad condition, so the meeting today was specifically to ensure that those repairs are done. And the second part, as I said, the different packages which have been given to different contractors, we want the contractors to start working and mobilizing ASAP.
Menteri Rangba Kejela uletho bulalu me kejingelang ha kabalashong ban bishar benya ya gejing pentre kam ya ke Pradhan Menteri Awas Yojana badulong ba ke Meghalaya kelebu ekathong ban penyo yeng ya plat iwei point sau not lak teli kilong yeng hapok kene ke senam mang pisah tengka ke Bthah. Uletho bah kisau senam ki belalej kathong jong Kejela kalong tang 20,000 hado 30,000 ki yeng. Ndrai mentah ke senam lebu athong hado iwei point sau not lak kilong yeng. Bat kani kalau urlong kadai nambar ba ke Sorkar jela kalayo ke jingi trailang bat ke Sorkar pedeng. Kabala pelaj ke song pisa jong kawat ke baar bat kumba pras pa kelur tengka ladap ban penlut bat barok kikam keleyat chakmat.
Just to give you a comparison, then the last 4 years, the target for the state was roughly about 40,000, 50,000 houses. And this year alone, 2023-2024, we have a target of 140,000, and this has happened because we have been really engaging with Government of India, and we have put a target to complete all the pending houses that are there in the list. And we are happy to inform you that Government of India is cooperating and is engaging and discussing with us in detail. And we in fact have now released the second tranche also of funds. So almost close to about 800 crores has already been spent, and almost all the houses now are on track, and we should see the work start in almost all of them. And we're hopeful, this is the working season, that we will be able to complete the 140,000 target that we have. And if that happens, it will be a very, very big achievement for the department and the government as a whole. And with that, we'll be able to complete the pending beneficiaries who are supposed to or who should be getting the houses.
Is there any special consideration that some areas which are difficult will have more fund sharing?
So this is a challenge throughout the country, and this is a challenge for every scheme. And therefore, it's not possible for Government of India or for the state government to look into these localized challenges. What you're saying is correct, but that is the nature of how schemes are implemented. If we have to have flexible grants for every scheme based on geographical conditions, then we will have every village saying that we have different conditions, and ultimately we won't be able to achieve the goal. So these challenges will be there, but we have to work with those challenges, and within the given framework and given financial amount, we have to complete the work.
Menteri Rangba Kejela ula kentat ya kejingkam jaga North East Petroleum Mazdur Union bagi pulit kelalek don bor bat pentut iginongnya bat nong bot jangki kali kit umpenyang ki bawan Kejela. Ukon rat kongkal sangma ula ong bagani kadai kejing sengutu bakla sudah nereki pulit kelalek ela kejong kamram ban penti kena bagi mar ke balamang ban poi syaki jaka ke bagi temu yen poi be tek shispa nak shispa kum bagi de benlong. Ulang ba ulayo pediang gijing ujor na kitrai jong ki petrol pom bagi don ki kali kit pediang ki buan penpoi petrol na diesel sya ki petrol pom bat kila dia tu ko pediang hashtag lenti bat kila pat ko pediang da ko bat pendap ya ka bat dai halor kani gijing ujor bala penlong ki gijing tokit bat ki pulit kala yo sabut bat gijing shisha halor kani gijing da bian ki kali kit pediang.
Based on their complaint, we went into an inquiry. Based on that inquiry, they found some evidence and some fact into this particular alleged mismanagement. So therefore, police was not harassing anybody. It's a complete misconception. Police was only doing their duty to ensure that the goods, that means the petrol and the diesel products, which was meant to come in 100% supply to the petrol pump, should come. And while doing the duty, they found some evidence of it being siphoned off or taken away. And they took action against that. So maybe some of the suppliers were not happy with that particular aspect and there was some reaction in it. But the Chief Secretary has held a meeting today. They have had some discussion. I think they have come to some kind of conclusion. But as I said that we have to be very clear that when there is any kind of activity like this, the police and the administration will take action to ensure that these kind of activities don't take place. So hence whatever the police and the Deputy Commissioner was doing in the interest of public.
Konrad kongkal sangma rengkat batu menteri katanat sports ubak Syakliar Warjri kilalu me kejingelang ban pet ya bedai bag kejing pen krek ban penlong ya ke Meghalaya Games Hatura ha ke district West Garo Hills. Hakene kejingelang letai sani halor kejing pen krek baro bekentop ikijaka ban penlong ya kejing Yakob lekai kijaka sa jigino lekai kejing pen biang ya ke umbam umdi ke boarding elektrik ke bam ki bor pahara bat kiwe-kiwe. Konrad kongkal sangma ule thu bule kran bat ki Deputy Commissioner haga baki lepen pau baki kam ki jam ke layach khmat naga benta ban pen khre ban penlong ya ke Meghalaya Games. Ndre ke Sorkar kan sasyong jingyalang biang haga pratrik uno opera banyatai sani halor ke kam.
For the upcoming Meghalaya Games, which will be held in Tura, Garo Hills, and hence there are many things to be prepared, including the location of the venues where the games will take place. Then after that, the accommodation, then other factors like security, water, electricity, food, materials, and so on and so forth. So we had a full review with the Deputy Commissioners online, and we are on track for the games, and we're hopeful that the games will go very well. There are challenges, of course, because Tura does not have the necessary infrastructure to support almost close to 4,000 people will be going, including the athletes and the officials. So, but we are working on it, and we are pretty sure that we should be able to make the necessary arrangements in time. And so this review meeting was for that. And further, we have decided that on 8th of December, we will be having the same review in Tura itself. So the Honorable Minister and myself will, along with the whole team, we will be going to Tura and having the review on the 8th of December. So that was the meeting for the Meghalaya Games.